and then get the setup for Active Directory domain service before you add other roles. Go here and then Active Directory domain service, click, and here run the Active Directory domain service installation wizard. You have to do this. Click this one and see this menu, and then next, and next, and here we don't have any existing for it. There is no server yet. So we go to create a new and next. The type of the name here, you can type anything. If you are the organization, you can type local.org. If you are the company, local.com. If you are the network company, netcom, net, anything is okay. So I will type local.org. So next. If there is the same name in the network, it will not valid. So that one should be unique. And this one, the forest functional header is Windows Server 2008R2. And then next. There is no DNS yet, but it needs DNS. So automatically choose DNS. So next. And it says you don't have DNS. Still continue? Yes. And there is DNS setting. So I just click next. And then the password. You can have same password with administrator or other one. It's up to you. But just don't forget it. Next and next. Wait. It will take more time. So repeat the order of the setting. First, time zone. Second, network configuration, right? And third, change the computer name, right? And then add roles. And the first one is Active Directory domain service. And after that, we do not go to next add role. You have the first, set up the Active Directory domain service first. So now we are doing that. Okay, finish. And we start. So this computer changed its domain name already. Let's see it. After this, you have to practice on your own computer. You use Hyper-V and then try this. If you cannot remember that word, you ask Arjun or Chang. I don't know what he is doing. Actually, the whole procedure of server setting will take around 2 hours with cable setting. After cable setting, you have to have OS installation and server setting. So total maybe it will take around 2 hours. So the assessor will ask you to get full procedure. Maybe only the part of the procedure. So you have to understand whole procedure. You don't know what part you will take, whether it is first part or middle of the part or last part. we don't know. So you have to know whole procedure. Do you have any questions? No? I like your questions, but nobody has. Click and then password GXDB1234 and explain it. Okay, let's see the procedure. Here, time zone is okay, and then starting okay. And you see here, it is changed, right? Capital name is Server02 local OIG. And then the domain name is local OIG. And then see here, there is DNS server, Active Directory Domain Service. We have two roles already. When you set up this Active Directory Domain Service, automatically you have DNS roles. So if you go next, what you will do? DHCP server. What is the DHCP server? You have to know that. DHCP server will control client IP. Okay? DHCP is controlling your client IP address. What is the Active Directory Domain Service? This one will control your client's ID and the password, and then security level. Okay? Repeat. Active Directory Domain Service will control client ID and the password and security level. And what is the DNS server? Domain name service. The DNS means domain name service. Because of that, your computer will find domain name. So let's go next. And next. And this is the IP address. Your server, right? And then next. Here, the domain is not this one, right? Your domain should not be this one. Your domain should be like your server IP. Don't forget this. Always. Your domain server, DNS server IP is the same with your server IP. Always. If it missed, your client cannot connect to this server. And then check the validate. Valid, right? So next. And just go next. And you have to keep the IP range. How many computers the server will control? That is the IP range. So add here, you can give name. This is server. And I can start with 192.168.2.101. Why it is not 100? 100 is used by server already. So it cannot be 101, right? But 101 is okay. And then up to what? What is the maximum number? 1,000? No. The maximum is 254. This is the maximum. You cannot have more than this. Always is like that. Okay? And then don't touch anything, just click OK. So how many computers you can control here? 254 minus 101. So how many computers? 100? Yes. Then next, enable DHCP version 6? No. We are not using version 6, so disable. And next. And just next. And install. And wait again.